Poison ivy. It's a plant that could cause an itchy and painful rash in a lot of people who come in contact with it. The plant is native to North America and can be found in almost every state in the United States. It typically grows as a vine or a shrub and can be identified by its 3-leaf configuration. The leaves of poison ivy are green in the summer and turn yellow, orange, or red in the fall. The oil from the plant, called urushiol, is what causes the allergic reaction. When urushiol comes in contact with the skin, it can cause a rash that is characterized by redness, swelling, and itching. In severe cases, the rash can form blisters and take several weeks to heal. It is also important to note that urushiol can also be spread through contact with clothing, pets, or other objects that have come in contact with the plant. It is important to wash the exposed skin and clothing as soon as possible to prevent further exposure. If you come in contact with poison ivy, it is important to seek medical attention if the rash is severe or if it spreads to a large area of your body. Over-the-counter treatments such as calamine lotion and/or hydrocortisone cream can help to relieve the itching and discomfort associated with poison ivy. Poison ivy is very easy to identify. It's actually all over the place, probably around in your backyard. We're just looking around our backyard here and we have some poison ivy, actually a lot of it. Starts out as a small plant, sometimes difficult to identify from other plants with 3 leaves, but if you learn to identify it, you can really avoid it. Some poison ivy coming out. Let's take a look. This here is poison ivy. It's a small plant, it's small now, but as you can see, it has three leaves together and it's a smooth surface. Another example here, that's poison ivy. A plant group in 3 leaves. We're taking a walk and poison ivy is pretty much everywhere. We went in our backyard and now we went for a walk. It's right next to this walkway. As you see here, it's right here. You're just going down a trail and your dog goes off the trail to do its business. And guess what? That dog now has the urushiol oil on them. And now you pet your dog and you get on your hands and you pet everywhere else on your body. And you're just gonna spread poison ivy on yourself. So you gotta be able to identify the poison ivy plant so you could avoid coming in contact with the oil urushiol.